Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress MPYC kala penremjor yu Presiden ka BJP Youth Wing Meghalaya alo gejing tho jung hagrensan social media batang ka tiaga sekampat biang. Ndai diman siap yaki samla bagi kena apule ke beki adali. Alo gejing lat tu gejing keli. Habakrani gelap patai kubor Vice President ke Youth Congress Jonathan Siem ulapan pau bagani kejengkeren ke penpau gejing ngong reudum. Bad agari badan kesen syarpat ba ki kun samla ki dan kahok ban pensengawi gejing bad ban bu jengkeli dan ke bentaki lak ngot ki samla ke masyakta. Ke MPYC ke dawa bau Presiden jong ke BJP Youth Wing bau di ban panma bad syemi kejengkit kli halor kane. Badru bagi nong ilam ke BJP ki di ban keren AA halor kane. Uba ban phira basayo moj uletho baga Congress Youth Wing ha Meghalaya kan pha ya sangot ki dikot jong kasha Delhi bani kendo ikinong ilam ke AICC bat banit mi ek jakaya ki bana jingkershan ki khna pule bat ki samla ke MPYC kala banshai bagani ki jinglat tu ki jingkli kamdai ba kata atang ya ke mainland India mereka kata jorru iki samla ka than chitelam mi ngi nama ki jing herdor ha ke kedan puli puti ha kene ka than
bagi wan persyajur ya kawai ke cingkren ke statement ke cingkren ke statement ke ba wei presiden juga BJP Youth Wing ulat ho ke social media ba mentaki gedon ketu ke cing protes nam taki ni paper leaks ha ke ba ngi kumpul kongres ngila protes kini ki benai ki baladam rek ai ke bangi yo ke ba penkendit yang ikut ikut samla bok tho apa social media jung wong ba ya kini se kiba protes kini bensiat hi uang ba tear gas is not enough, shoot them. So kani pen I ba kalong kai ke mensim kumba nak mensiu rudum akicuk ki bompat kuma kani kacuk jungi kacuk cingsyai kacuk demokrasi. Kani statement bau tho hapo ke social media kalau rak kata shibun iki kun samla kaba mau kum presiden jong ke Youth Wing Meghalaya ladai mau uban yarap lem ban ya side lem kudai mau kum presiden jong ke BJP ubadon hakabor po Delhi ban un yarap lem nam ta pun samla ke jungi berok poi aslak jong dari India bat khamtam hanika state Meghalaya jong ri mau peni kum kani ke statement tingi ba ke cinglong cingman ke mindset juki kilong thik hi kum kitu se ki anbhat kini ki BJP barada don ganu basubom kitit le daka penting pensmi dari kum bangi ong kat kum ka constitution right ke cungi kat kum ka article 19 ila protes hak demokrasi hi ngidon ni kata ka hok bat om da ka ba penting pensmi om da ka ba berngem berset om da ka ba berngem da ban susiat ban supeniap rekedon ke debate kedon ke dialog ban question government ladangi kim kun samla indon ni kita ka right ladangi isu snapchar gaja ni ka paper leak government kini kala kata deki tholak mut ikna samla ladangi isu snapchar bet ladangi don kita ke interest hak politics ladangi question ni kita ke bedon habor manu ban question ni kata rekum kini ke cingkran kolong ke bapen snusi ke bakta mat yong sikit dai re nagale tu Youth Congress yang scam ni ha kata ko inclusive development ya baro bangidon kata ka bomnyo siliang inu bangi snap ya ko sur jumpat ba tebat sa ko wiru ba ka BJP kandai bai a cuba halor kani statement ke bau ni presiden juga Youth Wing ula keren kacing snapchar jugi ladaki snapchar kemud ki penslur kan kum kani kacing berngam berset jugi ka penslur kin ban peniap beriu rehagan ni juk demokrasi jungi kamdai ban long kumta teknik por na kalian jungi ni di man ba presiden juga Youth Congress ula tho ek tu juga ni di man kum vice president juga Youth Congress ni di man ba presiden juga BJP Youth Wing udai ban pama ulor kini bat udai bedong accountability but udai bedong ketika responsibility
strictly condemned whatever that is going on today. As you can see, he has been saying full words and all that, and despite he's an advocate, I mean, like, where is his ethics, as an advocate? So this is very unprofessional, so to say, and we really condemned him. And after everyone that what's going on in Delhi, it's like a war. Then you seen from lots of media that many youth is, they are all there beaten up. And then, coming up from a guy who's from Meghalaya, I mean, like, it's such a disgrace. I mean, like, no one, like, they don't have the sense of humor, thinking. And then I feel so ashamed. And from the Meghalaya Youth Congress, we want him to, to step down, and we need some actions needs to be taken against him. And you can't say to kill the people who protest. I mean, like, these people come from all over India to protest for our nation, for the worldwide, so that everything will go in peace, knowing that all the need of the examination, what is going on. So yes, from the Youth Congress, we strongly condemn him. Coming from the president of BJP Youth Wing, they should do something about it. Such words you can't say such words, like, killing the youth who protest there in Delhi. I mean, like, have some common sense. I mean, he's an advocate, so I don't know where is his mindset, and I mean, you should speak on your mind. You can't just speak what's going on, or you can't be unprofessional, so to say. You have to be very professional when you lead any team. When you lead a party, you have to be professional on this. No, this is not acceptable.
Nakliang Congress selesai, ia ingin represent Saumut, ingin jalan ke Delhi, ingin ke meeting bagi party leaders yang ke Delhi, nya lech cakap protest, ingin do yang leaders yang ki students leader university prepare, ingin do berkinti barang ka jantung mantar tidanglan ka ujung tiru, tidanglan ka cakap di protest, ini ingin do yang ki, omni tamgil mensur represent. They bangiru ngin snow wiki ba kani kam ta tangi ki bri ho ki mainland India le kham tam mingi sine ka ba sine siri room ki jong ka ba ka rukomlong ki education system ka education jong ki bahar ki kwa kin yo snow ya applied ne jing e jong ki ba han ki than ki jong kanono ka sinjam ka bangi snow day banle amata ki samna ki jong amata ki para ki jong ni ploy ben snow khti bat bangi ta masuk ti bat punya lam hiru nakhman when wala biang ka jingpuli poka jela jungi poka ri jungi kata jingpuli poki kimi ka pa ki shania ka poki khna ki dan ka jing ka believe ka ngada